Hi, KA Sweet Kids. It is our day in our ABC Countdown today, and for R, we are going to read a good book. You could read one of your favorite stories, or you can try and read a new book that you haven't read yet. My favorite story, well, one of my favorite stories is Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. And I'm going to post that video of me reading that story on our Kindergarten Links page today. So look on that website so you can listen to my favorite story. We are in the month of May, so we're going to go ahead and sing our May song. M-A-Y spells May, M-A-Y spells May. The 5th month of the year, M-A-Y spells May. Kids go out and play all through the month of May. 31 days of sunny fun, and then the month is done. Awesome. So we did say that we are in the month of May, and right here is the number of the day today. So we know our number is underneath of our balloon. It is 1 more than 10, and it's 1 less than 12. So our number is 11. Very good. All right, and now if I take my marker, today's 11. In order to find out the day of the week, I need to go straight up. Look right there. What's our day of the week today? Monday. Very good. It is, oh, let me fix that. There we go. Today is Monday, May 11th. All right, so we said days of the week. Today is Monday. Yesterday was, well, remember, if today is Monday, yesterday means the day before. The day before was Sunday. Tomorrow will be, today is Monday, tomorrow is the day after. Tuesday. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and read our sentence starting at the top red one right up here. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, so today is, we said today was Monday. Now we need to find the month that we are in. Here's one that starts with an M. M-A. Uh-oh. What is that month right there? It's not May. January, February, March. That one's March. We don't want March. We want May. So let's sing it. January, February, March, April, May. There it is, May. Now it's May, and then the number that we uncovered with our balloon was the number 11. So you go straight line down. Always start at the top when making your numbers and your letters. But when we make our one, we start up at the top and go all the way down to the line. Another one, all the way down to the line. All right, now we need to pick the year, which is 2020. Okay, repeat after me. Today is Monday. Today is Monday, May 11th. May 11th. 2020, 2020, that's the date, that's the date. All right, how many days have we been learning at home? I'm going to grab another one and put it up in my tens frame. If I put another one in my tens frame, I can tell right away that I have 9. Because I had one missing in my tens frame, I know that I have 9. There's our 9. And here in my tens place, 3. So my big number that I created was 39. 39. All right, now I need to erase one of the days because this will tell us how many days left of kindergarten. How many days do we have left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days left of kindergarten. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? Well, if I look out of my window at my house, I would say that it is a cloudy day. I don't really see the sun. And the clouds almost look a little gloomy, like it might rain, but right now it's just cloudy. So I'm going to go ahead and graph cloudy in our May weather. There's cloudy, and there you go. So we have, let's see how many we have all together. So we have 3 sunny, 1 rainy, 1 partly cloudy, and 2 cloudy days. So let's count all together. Well, we don't need to count 3 right here because we already know there's 3. So we can go 3 and then count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days that we have graphed of weather. Okay, let's see what the temperature is in Oakwood, Ohio. All right, in Oakwood it says it is 41, look right here, degrees Fahrenheit. 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's go ahead and write it down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Now remember with our 1, we always start up at the top too. 41 degrees donuts. No, degrees, what does that F stand for again? Degrees Fahrenheit. Good job. All right, what is the sentence? Okay, I have some new sentences underneath here. Let's try and read them. Do you have a favorite movie? Movie you like to watch. That word is watch. Do you have a favorite movie you like to watch? Okay, well, this sentence needs some fixing. So let's see. If I look at the very beginning of my sentence, I can tell it needs a capital letter at the beginning. Do you. You is one of our sight words, so we know not to spell you with just the letter U. We can spell it Y-O-U, you. Do you have a favorite movie you like to watch? Well, I'm asking you a question. Do you have a favorite movie you like to watch? Let's put a question mark on the end. All right, let's go to our next sentence. Lucy. All right, look here. This word without the S is like. So then when we put the S on it, it's like, likes. So the sentence already says, Lucy likes to watch. All right, that word right there is the movie title. That says Moana. Moana. Lucy likes to watch Moana. Now, if I look at the beginning of our sentence, we already have a capital L. And, I need punctuation. I can put a period at the end of my sentence. Lucy likes to watch Moana. Let's go. She will watch it and not look away. All right, now just to show you, watch, the word watch is not one of our sight words, but I have already shown you how to spell it in our previous sentences. So if you look right here, this word is watch. If you look right here, let me try and highlight it. If it's going to let me. Uh-oh. Here we go. This word is watch. So we have watch up here, W-A-T-C-H. We have watch down here, W-A-T-C-H. Now, if we come down to this sentence, this word right here, that's not spelled the same way. That's because it's spelled W-A-T-C-H. So I can fix it down there because in my other sentences that I read, I realized that this was how you spelled watch. So I can fix it down here. She will watch it and not look away. Well, I put this picture up here because this is the front cover of the movie Moana. So in case you didn't know what Moana was, these are the two main characters in the movie Moana. And I wanted to show you a video of Lucy watching Moana. So this is Lucy right here, and watch how she just does not look away. So you can see that I was even trying to get her attention, and she did not want to look at me. Here it goes again. All right, well, I would like to do our number talks. So our number talk on Monday is Make It Monday. So we are going to come up with different equations to reach our target number. So our target number today is 9. 9 is our target number, so we need to think of different equations to equal 9. This is the first one that I thought of. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Well, I know that to be true, and since we're doing addition, we can think of the switcheroo that also equals 9. Do you know what the switcheroo is that also equals 9? Right, 8 plus 1 equals 9. Do you see how we just switched those numbers? But both of them equal 9. All right, how about this one? 4 plus 5 equals 9. That was another one that I thought of. Now, since we know this to be true and it's addition, we can use a switcheroo. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So we know that to be true. Now, there are other addition ones that you can think of. See if you can come up with some more addition ones to equal 9. I would like to show you some of the subtraction ones I was thinking. We have 10 take away 1 equals 9. And another subtraction one that I thought was 12 take away 3 equals 9. Notice when you do subtraction ones and it has to equal 9, you always need to start with a number that is bigger than 9. I would like to see if you can come up with some more subtraction problems to equal 9 too. Okay, thank you so much, KA. Have a great day.